Hi guys, so obviously I'm absent today. I wasn't planning on being absent. An emergency came up, so I'm not going to be there in class on Tuesday or on Wednesday. Okay, so this is something that I'd like you guys to do on Tuesday. I don't mind if you pop earbuds in and you do that. If you listen to music while you're doing this, that's absolutely fine. Okay, but I expect you guys to be doing this and getting it done while I am away. All right, so the first thing that you guys are going to do, obviously you're already there, is get into Google Classroom. This is going to be the post that comes up for you guys. I still have to assign it to you, so that's why it looks like this. Okay, but what I want you guys to do is we're going to be talking about independent reading, matching you guys up with some books and things like that. So I want you to see what genre of books you actually might potentially want to read. So the first thing that you guys are going to do after you get to Google Classroom is you are going to check out this first link. Okay, obviously after you listen to this like tutorial and instructions, you guys are going to click on this first link. This is something that I want you to fill out as you're going through the different activities. Okay, so first tell me what your overall feelings on reading for fun are. Tell me if teachers typically need to force you to choose or read a book, why that's true or why not. And then this one, have you ever read a book that you enjoyed? And if so, what was its title or what was the storyline about? Okay, next, it's going to say after taking the online quiz, pause there for a minute. Come back to Google Classroom, and right here it says take the online quiz to see which book genre you get. So you're going to click on this one, go to quiz.com, the book suggestion quiz, and this is what it looks like. Okay, it's very short. It's not long at all. I promise you, it is not like yesterday. It is not like Study Island or whatever it was that we were on yesterday. Okay, this is my quick, easy way to do this with you instead of forcing you to do what we were doing the other day. Okay, so you're going to give me your age, which obviously you guys are all clicking here. You're going to give me your gender, and then you're just going to answer these quick 13 questions. Okay, literally that's it. And then you're going to click submit answers, and it's going to tell you what genre you potentially could be interested in. Okay, then you'll come back to here. After taking the online quiz, which book genre were you matched with? So you'll tell me which one it tells you. And then tell me if you've ever read a book within that genre before, and if you did you like it? So essentially, did they get the match right? Okay, from there, you're going to scroll down, and the instructions are here, and then they're also here. Okay, so after you take the online quiz and find out what genre you got matched with, and after you begin completing the worksheet that we just kind of went over, you're going to go to the website goodreads.com, and I have it linked for you down here. Okay, so you don't have to type it in, just click on this link. And you're going to find at least 3 different books that you might like to read. And obviously, a good place to start would be to check out some of the genres that you were matched with, or books within the genre that you were matched with. So this is what Goodreads looks like. Okay, this is their main site page. You're going to go here. Okay, most of you, I'm sure, are new, and you're going to need to create a free account. Put your name in. Put your Pinelands email address, and then again, a simple Pinelands password. Literally, you could just use Pinelands if you wanted to make it easy for you. And then you're going to sign up. Okay, so you're going to create an account through Goodreads. And then once you do that, you can start browsing through books. Okay, I would like you guys to stick with here, young adult, because those are going to be the ones that are more geared to your reading lexile, aka your reading levels. They're not going to be too long. They're not going to be too short. They're going to be kind of perfect for you guys. They're not going to be too hard. The vocabulary won't be too bad for you. This is definitely a good way to start. Okay, so here's your young adult section. You also can start looking over here under related genres. There's young adult paranormal, young adult science fiction, young adult history, fantasy, romance, realistic, all kinds of stuff over here. High school. There is a sports section. You just kind of have to browse around a little bit. Okay, but you're going to use this website to help you identify at least 3 books that you might want to check out and read. Okay? That's not so bad, right? Okay, so let's say, for instance, you might want to read this one. And what's good about this website is you'll see right here on the side, it actually gives you a little bit of like a synopsis, like a summary of what the book is actually about. So you'd be able to see if you liked it or not. But obviously, if you click on it, you're going to get even more information about what the books are about. You're going to get a reading level on them or a rating on them, so you'll be able to see what other people have to say about them. It'll tell you how many pages long it is, any questions about them, all kinds of stuff. Okay, so again, you're going to find 3 of them. And then as you find them, you're going to tell me the title of the book, the author of the book, and tell me what the book is about. Same thing for book number 2 and book number 3. Okay, and then once you are finished with this whole thing, page 1 and page 2, then you're going to come back to Google Classroom and you'll submit it right to this post. Okay, so once you are finished filling this whole thing out, page 1 and page 2, then you are going to upload it to Google Classroom, and then that way I can take a look at everything that you guys did on Tuesday, and then on Wednesday I'm going to upload a new thing for you guys to do, and then I will see you on Thursday. Everything will be back to normal by then. All right, I'm sorry that I'm not going to be there for you guys, but hopefully this will help you out and you'll be able to get started. I have no doubts that you guys will be able to handle this on your own. It's really not that hard. If you have any questions, feel free to email me. I will have my phone and stuff on me. So if you have any questions, you can absolutely email me and I'll be able to get right back to you for the most part. But other than that, I really feel like you guys can handle this and there shouldn't be too many problems. Okay? Make sure that you are good. Be on your best behavior. Don't give anybody any issues. I doubt that you guys will. You're a really good group. So I think that you guys will be just fine. No worries. You don't really need me that much. All right, I will see you guys on Thursday. I'm excited to read what your answers are, and I'm excited to see what kind of books you guys are going to pick. And I will see you guys soon.